Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. So first of all you need to go to DaVinci Resolve website. Just search it in Google and you can go to this first link. And in here, once you scroll down a bit, you can see this download option. So in here, click on free download now. In here, select your operating system that you are going to download this software. So I'm using Windows, so I select this one. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. So in here, just add your details and fill this form. And click on register and download. So as you can see now, it's downloading the software. So as you can see, I already downloaded this software. So let's extract it. So after extracting, you will see this setup file. Just double click on it to start the installation. In here, select all and click on install. So now my installation completed. Let's start the software and see if it works. So as you can see now, it's working fine. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will get back to you. See you in the next video.